Is it possible to earn money from home doing simple tasks? No. Nobody says it's real, but hey, here's $100 for you. I'm going to show you how I made money with this thing. So this is called Tap TV, and this is a super cool app where you can go ahead and watch YouTube videos, guys, to earn money. You get $25 for every video you watch. So I'm going to show you my Cash App right here. I'm banking hard with this. So here's my activity, but let me just go over to the balance. And as you guys can see, I currently have $970 in my Cash App. And if I go over the little transaction, as you guys can see, I've been paid out numerous times by Tap TV. So Tap TV is going to allow you to basically get money, and all you have to do is watch YouTube videos. So as you can see, they have a humongous selection of videos to watch, and they will pay you. So I'm going to show you guys over here. You guys can see payouts, and I've been paid out numerous times. So I'm going to go down here. You guys can see if you want to request in Cash App, this is how you do it. So you've got the Cash App page. So guys, this is something that you really just need to try right now while it's still working. I think it is a crazy thing that you can actually go ahead and literally get money, guys. I mean, this is just so cool. And I just think that this is something that everybody should really look into if you're looking to make money online and get some of that sweet money. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. You just go to their website, taptv.io. And once you're on the website, you will see it says earn $25 for every video you watch, how it works, pay for engagements, you do the online activities, and then you earn Cash App or PayPal money. So it is literally that easy, guys. And you can see in my Cash App, I've been paid out so many times. So definitely something to look into if you want to make some money online. And as you guys can see, I got $420 in my account at the moment. And I mean, I've just made so much. I'll get a payouts here. You guys can see that. The list goes on and on. So yeah, guys, super awesome with this thing. I just think that there's a lot of people out there that are using these stupid apps where it's like play bingo and they'll give you some money. They don't give you any money. But with this, you're almost guaranteed. I mean, literally, you watch YouTube videos, you don't need to fill in any forms. You just link up your PayPal or your Cash App. And I think even like 13-year-olds can have a Cash App now. So everyone can follow this method here. So yeah, so you request Cash App, you just fill in your data, and you're good. So remember, guys, website's taptv.io. That's where you can earn, and press download app. It will download onto your device, and then you can open the app. I mean, look at me. I've made a lot of money with this. Who says you can't too? So yeah, super awesome with this thing, guys. I just think it is crazy that you can actually go ahead and start earning money. I mean, this is just so cool. And this is the app one more time for you guys so you can see how it works. We've got all the videos, and I mean, I think you can even search videos up. But they literally have a lot of content on here that is definitely worth looking into. So, yeah, guys, awesome trick with this method. Try it right now while it's working. Awesome, awesome. This is so cool. I made a lot of money. I think you guys will too. Crazy, crazy stuff. I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.